that the formula is that you require 30 ml per kg body weight. Rough formula. It may vary, but for public, you just remember 30 ml per kg body weight. Number two, if you have not passed urine for 8 hours, get concerned. Dr. Mishra has said every few hours, but concern is if you have not passed urine for 8 hours, get concerned. Number three is armpit test. This area will always be wet. And if this is dry, it's a medical emergency. You are severely hydrated. Next, you lose 200 ml of fluid per loose motion. That's a rough formula to calculate how much I'm dehydrated because loose motions is very common in COVID-19. So you says I had 10 loose motions, drink 200 ml of something. That's something we will discuss with that. Then if you have a dengue, severe dehydration, 20 ml of fluid per kg body weight, take it stat. You all know my formula of 20 there. Then whatever you drink should be hygienic. So you have to make sure either it is homemade or ready to drink. So either it is homemade, means either it is boiled, clean, whatever. So it should be hygienic. Whatever you take, it should be homemade or ready to drink. It should not be dehydrating liquid. So avoid caffeinated or carbonated drinks when you have dehydration, because they are dehydrating drinks. And then now this is, you must have your fluid with electrolytes and sugar according to the requirement. So 2% sugar, ORS, 2% sugar when you have a simple diarrhea, no caloric requirement. But if you need sugar, can I take soft drinks? No, they have 12% sugar. They may be very, very, very high sugar with that. They do not contain any electrolytes. So can I take around 8, 9, 10% sugar if I need a high calorie and replace sucrose with the dextrose? Yes, in the market you have ORSL, which gives you taurine, calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium. But if I'm diabetic, what to do? Then you have another thing called Enerzal Zero, which is also available in the market, which is giving you all the electrolytes minus the calories. So like you have a Coke and a Diet Coke, but we are not recommending that. So instead of that, you take a solution which is, and remember, today is an era, everywhere people are talking about when you produce diarrhea by polyethylene glycol. So remember, when you produce diarrhea by polyethylene glycol, now polyethylene glycol is available with electrolytes so that you don't lose electrolytes. So remember, whenever you have diarrhea, you need to replace the fluid along with electrolytes, sodium, potassium, calcium, taurine, and then you can choose whether you require a dextrose base or whether you require something which is 0 calories, that is your choice. So therefore, the drink should be hygienic, homemade, ready to drink, non-caffeinated, non-alcoholic, you can't take alcohol as a replacement. So non-alcoholic, non-carbonated drink with a natural or limited sugar and electrolytes. It should be full of electrolytes so that you don't end up into any problem. And that's what we are talking about COVID-19. And we have taken few trade names or brand names here. That is because of the ease. So we have not talked about one particular brand name. So we have talked about brand name because when you talk about Coke and Pepsi, they are also a brand name, that, and we can't help it out in mentioning them. So I did take the name of ORSL, and the reason was they are the fluids which are available on public platform also with that. So therefore, remember, rehydration needs to be done. Rehydration needs to be done with electrolytes. So you need sodium, potassium. Now ORS also has a sodium. It also has a potassium. It also has vitamin C. So, but ORS doesn't have that calories. It may not have calcium. It not have magnesium. It may not have taurine. So as a doctor, you can choose what rehydrating solution you want. Remember, there are two things: rehydration, replacement, dehydration. There are different terminologies. But in COVID-19, remember one thing is that kidney involvement in COVID-19 is only linked to dehydration. Normally, very few people will end up into a kidney failure. Dehydration, you cannot afford to be dehydrated if you have a COVID or if you have a dengue. Both of them are, dengue is just, season is just going, but it's still present in many parts of the country today. And COVID is all over. And it is also true for all respiratory illnesses because hydration works like a mucolytic agent. It is improved for your dry cough. It also gives you a healing in all respiratory infections. So whenever you have respiratory infections, always think of a solution with electrolytes. Remember, the simplest electrolyte is ORS, but remember another name ORSL. You can remember Energal Zero. Zero means no calorie, the one which gives you Energal. But simplest will be, do I need ORS? Do I need ORSL? So you can talk about them in to yourself. This was the last session was for the public and for the doctor specifically, the GPs with that. So I'll come back to a couple of questions to Dr. Shivakant Mishra, and then I have